What is going on, my party people? Money Squad, shout out to you for being in the building on this Thursday. We almost done with the week. One more day, and another cop for Emoneyshoes. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing and taking a chance on me. If you consider subscribing to the channel, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I try to drop different content, let y'all know the steals and deals. I'm not a Jordan exclusive channel. No shot at everybody. I just want to let it know it's something for everybody out there. Currently, we're on the break team who has the heat, along with MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, and the Sis313. All of us have separate channels, and also go check out our channel. We're going to be back on and popping back in March for season 6 with some more dope battles for you. Also check out my feature channels. We got Pam Money in the building. We got Ashley Reviews in the building. We have Jonah Vlogs in the building. We also have Shoes Up Sleeves down in the building. He's on the road to 5K. And we have, Jonah Vlog, Melanie Sweetie. All of them are in the building doing their things. Now, let's jump into this review, because I've been on the fence. I've been keeping my eye on this shoe. It's been out for about 6 months. But y'all already know I'm looking for the steal and deal right now. Clearance shoes, 50% off at the Navy Exchange. And y'all already know I gotta jump on it. It's the Jordan Zoom 92 based off the Olympics. Suggested retail price $150. Then the NAX price is $119. Then you got the orange tag, $88, and 50% off of that, $44. Now y'all let me know, can y'all take a chance on the shoe for $44? I don't know about y'all, but I can do it. Size 11. I probably should have went 10 and a half. Probably gonna take it back and go 10 and a half true to size. Like I said, I'm willing, if it's under $50, $150 shoe, no tax, you get $100 off some of this new technology that's a lifestyle shoe. It's white obsidian true red, as you can see, right? And turn on the stuff right there. As you can see, this box that I can't stand. And inside, of course, you have the shoes, right? You have the shoe. This is a lifestyle shoe, and don't let nobody else tell you different. This is a lifestyle shoe, like I said, based off the 92 Olympics. Lifestyle shoe, supposed to be 3 shoes and one. You know how they do it. I think it's the Air Jordan 7, which you can see, the Air Max 180, and you got the Force 5 in the shoe. Right off the rip, just want to let y'all look at the shoe. Hopefully it ain't too bright. Just let y'all take a look at the shoe. I see a little bit of 180, but most of the shoe, for you can see right off the rip, right, is the Jordan 7. This one you can't go true to size because of the materials. You could go up a little bit. You're probably gonna get some creasing, so that I definitely got to go back, see if I can get I may even go to a 10 just for that. It's mixed with kind of like a foam type material with the Zoom material. I wouldn't recommend balling. This is a lifestyle shoe. Y'all know Jordan going to mostly lifestyle shoes. As you can see underneath, you have Zoom and you have translucent. You have Nike Air and you have your red Jumpman, of course. And I don't know if you can see in here, but it says TGAOT. Yeah, TGAOAT, the greatest of all time, meaning Jordan. That's subjective, depending on how you want to look at it. Maybe the GOAT in basketball, but for me, my personal best athlete of all time is Bo Jackson, because he did pretty good in football. He didn't get hurt, and he's a pretty good baseball player. So that's just the greatest of all time for me. Maybe I may be biased, come from Alabama, but that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now you come up here, you can definitely see the Jordan 7 resemblance right here and right here on the tongue. As you can see, you got your gold Jumpman and your nylon type materials with your red coming along here on the stitching. On the side, You kind of got like a see-through type materials, probably resemble the 180. And you can see you got your zoom, right? Your zoom, just the only zoom pocket is just coming right across here, which is very, very interesting. As you can see, you got your silver, your swoosh, which more probably represent the force, and you got your stitching, and then you have zoom air, right? Which is weird, instead of should be air zoom, right? More like that, remind you of the 90s. I think like what is that, the Dion's and stuff like that, the zoom air, but it's air zoom now, right? Then you can see this material, right? Kind of foamy, right? Then coming around here, of course, it's more like a patent leather, and in the back you see you got more of the looks of the Jordan 7 with the 9. If you didn't know, that was Jordan number in the Olympics. And you also have the pull tab in the back to help you get the shoe on. Inside you have a gray sock liner, so you already know you got to wear light shoes so you won't get that darkness in the shoes or your sock bunnies. Then you got air on the buttocks, as you can see, like that. You got a small little mini jump man on the side right there, and a small swoosh, as you can see in there. I should have went to the little area so you can get a better look, because you got all these different variants of the shoe, and you got your rope laces here and there. And like I said, you can see more of the 7 in this shoe. Let me hold it back. There you go, so you can get a better look of the shoe. I know this won't be everyone's cup of tea, and you got the red inside on the insole. The production date is 12/18/19 to 3/5/20, so it's almost a year old production on the shoe. So like I said, it's a lifestyle shoe, very interesting. I'm always willing to try something at least once, and for $40, hey, you can't go wrong. And I just found these two little interesting pieces on here. I think this is probably more from the Force 5. I've noticed that there's more on the Force type shoes. So with that being said, you got a lot of padding around the ankle. Other than that, I mean, hey, it is what it is. I seen a different colorway that I'm probably gonna try that too. If I can get it for under $50, I will. So on the lit meter, I give this shoe about a 4.2. It's nothing that's gonna overwhelm you, underwhelm you. The price point was good, so I didn't pay too much for it. So hey, it is what it is. Can charge it to the game. So 4.2 out of 5. You let me know what you think about this shoe. Would you be willing to try it for this price point, or that's still too much and I should have just kept my money? Thank you. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Go check out my fan. Go check out my feature channels, Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Stay blessed. Peace.